Hello learners! Today, I'm super excited to share something special with you all. In this video, I'll tell you the success story of an amazing collaboration I worked on with Ahs Creator, and how we joined forces to bring you incredible insights and content. But that's not all. The second half of this video will focus on some fantastic brands that are making waves in fashion. I'll teach you how to pronounce the names of these clothing brands correctly. Welcome to my journey of collaboration. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of a project that brought together individuals passionately committed to making a positive impact on our community. Join me as I reveal the creative process, the challenges we faced, and the incredible outcomes we achieved together. Now, let's dive into our success story. Success begins with someone's efforts and hard work. If the goal is common, success is also common. In the winter of 2024, I had the opportunity to collaborate with the Ahs Creator team on an AI project aimed at encouraging language learners to consider other learning options outside of traditional language learning. Ahs Creator is an AI-driven platform designed to help influencers secure brand deals, making the job easier for both parties. If you visit their website, you can see in more detail how the brand contract works with them. Click on How It Works menu item. First, you need to link one or all of your social media accounts, where you want to display your collaborative videos, so that you can receive brand invitations. After that, you just have to wait to receive invitations asking you to work. You are limited to a certain time limit that must be adhered to during the work process. The content must meet certain criteria, but the Ahs team will help provide you with ideas to support and move forward your work. Once your work has been finally approved, and you have uploaded the video to your channel, you will receive the remaining amount, and can enjoy the fruits of your labor. What's positive is that it inspires confidence, and it's an advantage over other companies that as soon as the brand confirms acceptance of your work, they pay half of the fee in advance. You can also participate in the Ahs Creator program. You just have to promote them. You can make a video or write a blog post about them, which you can then share on social media, on your website, or directly with your friends. The point is that for every registered user and after their first job contract, you will receive a $15 bonus. Get brand deal and start earning today. This partnership brought together. They helped my work with constant advice and ideas, increasing my perseverance, and bringing out a new side of my creativity. The journey was not only successful, but also profoundly enriching, both personally and professionally. Our collaboration began with a series of sessions held on the Ahs Studio. This is a function of Ahs Creator platform, which provides influencers with trendy ideas and video production tools, requiring constant communication and flexibility. Each member shared their vision for the project, and it was inspiring to see how passionate everyone was about making a difference. The variety of perspectives led to innovative ideas that I had not considered before. I was responsible for editing educational material. This task aligned perfectly with my background in education, allowing me to contribute effectively. The implementation phase was both challenging and rewarding. Finding ways to keep students interested was a creative challenge. I felt a sense of pride in our ability to grow as a team. It reinforced my belief in the power of collaboration. As the project progressed, I experienced a range of emotions. Excitement. The thrill of seeing our ideas come to life during editing was exhilarating. Fulfillment. Watching students engage with the material and express their newfound knowledge was incredibly rewarding. The success of our collaboration was evident in the positive feedback we received, and the lasting impact on the community. This experience taught me that collaboration is more than just working together. It's about building relationships, embracing diversity, and fostering a shared vision. I left the project with not only new skills and insights, but also lasting friendships, and a renewed passion for community engagement. And now we're diving into the fascinating world of brand names, and their correct pronunciations. Have you ever found yourself unsure of how to say a brand name? You're not alone. From iconic tech companies to luxury fashion labels, the way we pronounce these names can often be tricky. In this video, we'll explore some of the most commonly mispronounced brand names. Adidas, Nike, Zara, Mango, Burberry, Marc Jacobs, Hugo Boss, Lacoste, Victoria's Secret, Calvin Klein, Decathlon, The North Face, Fila, Champion, United Colors of Benetton, Reebok, Puma, Pepe Jeans. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Follow us on social media for updates. See you in the next video.